everyone, and welcome back to the BKR kitchen. Today we're going to be making a dish that is beloved across Nigeria and beyond, the delicious smoky Nigerian jollof rice. Jollof rice is not just a meal, it's a celebration on a plate. It is a meal that requires a certain kind of technique, and if you want to know how to make the best smoky jollof rice with spicy turkey, watch this video until the end. In this tutorial, every single step is very important so that you don't miss any detail. So if you want to leave your family and friends wowed and asking for more, then keep watching. Although the ingredients are listed on the screen, the exact measurements are in the description box below. This tutorial is divided into two major parts. The first part is for the spicy turkey, and then the second part is for preparing the rice. First, we're going to start by prepping the turkey. After washing and cutting the turkey, place it in a clean pot and add all the ingredients, the seasoning ingredients, and bring the turkey to a boil. After cutting and washing the turkey, place it in a clean pot, add all the seasoning ingredients, and bring this turkey to a boil. You want to make sure that the turkey steams for some minutes, let's say 5 minutes, before adding some water. This will allow the turkey to absorb all the unique flavors from your seasoning and to give the turkey a very tasty flavor. The turkey does not have as much water as chicken or other protein, so be careful to not leave it to boil for too long before adding some water so that the turkey doesn't burn. After adding some water, allow the turkey to boil for 20 minutes. You should stir before adding the water, I forgot to mention, and allow the turkey to boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, get an oven tray, line it with some aluminum foil and baking sheet. I use both because I do not like adding my protein directly to the foil so that it doesn't stick too much to the baking tray, and also so that the protein doesn't absorb some aluminum from the foil. Then add the turkey to the tray and grill it for 20 minutes in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 347 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we'll prep the rice. Boil some water and measure the rice into a pot. We are using 2.5 cups of rice in this video. Pour the boiled water into the pot and stir the rice and cover the pot. Leave the rice soaked for 10 minutes and wash the rice with cold water after. Next, we are going to prepare our stew base for the jollof rice. My ultimate stew base is made up of 3 bell peppers, 2 tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onions, and a handful of equal parts of red and yellow chili peppers. I believe that this 3-to-1 combination is the perfect blend of sweet and spicy peppers, which will ultimately lead to a great result. Feel free to adjust the chili pepper to your tolerance level. Blend this together and set aside. Now I'll heat up some little oil and add some chopped onions and some bay leaves, and I'll fry this on medium heat for 3 minutes until it's fragrant. Add some thyme and continue frying until the bay leaves start to brown gradually. Then I'll add some tomato paste to this mixture. Add some tomato paste for that vibrant red color and unique taste to continue frying. It is important to tame your heat here on out to avoid burning, as this will affect the taste of your cooking. You'll notice that the oil used in this recipe is very minimal, so you want to be mindful of the cooking process. You also notice that the oil will start turning red, but just keep on frying. Sprinkle some curry and keep frying. By now, your kitchen should already be filled with an irresistible aroma. Be sure to also check out my blog. The link is in the description also. Add the blended stew base to the mixture and stir. Cover the pot and cook until the oil settles at the top of the stew. That way, most of the water has evaporated. Next, I'll bring out the turkey from the oven and take some of the cooked stew base into another pot and mix it with the grilled turkey. After mixing it well, I'll set aside the turkey on the baking tray and grill once more for another 10 minutes. Then I'll add the remaining tomato stew base and turkey stock together and mix. Taste for salt. Add 1 tablespoon of the green paste, and if needed, add 2 extra bouillon cubes and some salt. Check out my channel to see how to make your own homemade green paste. After adding the additional seasoning, cover the pot and leave to simmer for some few minutes before adding the rice. Add the washed rice to the pot and stir very well. Cover and allow the rice to toast for 5 minutes on low heat. Open the pot, stir some more and add some water and stir again. A rule of thumb is to add 1 cup of water per cup of rice. So here I'll add 2.5 cups of water to the rice. Stir very well and cover once more with the aluminium foil paper and cover the pot and cook on low heat. I use the second lowest heat range of my cooker and I allow the rice to cook for 10 minutes. Give it a good stir and cover to cook for another 10 minutes. While we wait for our jollof rice to cook, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. To ensure that your rice is not burning, check it, and if it's burning, reduce the heat accordingly. Now the rice is cooked through and fluffy. There you have it, people. Our authentic Nigerian jollof rice is ready to be served. Look at that beautiful color and aroma. Serve it alongside some fried plantains, grilled turkey or your favorite protein, coleslaw, salad, or you can enjoy it just as it is. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you give this recipe a try and share it with your loved ones. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Tell me if you're going to give this recipe a try. And until next time, take care, family. Happy cooking.